Creating track stacks in Logic. This is a useful thing to know. It keeps your project nice and neat and organized, allows collaborators to understand what's going on. When you go to do your mix down, makes everything super simple, super smooth. And then also when you're bouncing off stems to mastering engineers, it's easier for them as well. So let's get into it. So here we've got a new project. It's empty. We just got an electric piano here. We're going to delete that, and we're going to click external MIDI, use external instrument plugin. Make sure that's ticked. Create. What we're going to do, click Command D and do that a few times so you've got a few channels. Then we're going to right click that, control, and then tap your mouse pad, and you want to go create track stack, and you want to do a summing stack, a folder. You can't put any effects on it. Summing, you can put effects on it. We're going to go create. Then you can click this and we'll call it kick. All right, neat. Now we'll go into create track stack, summing, and we're going to call this vocal. Cool. We're going to go here, create track stack, summing. I'm going to call this chords. I'm going to go here, create track stack. I'm going to call this leads. I'm going to go here. We're going to right click this one, create track stack. I'm going to call this effects. Right click this one, create track stack, and we'll call this one bass. This one, create track stack, and we'll call this one drums. All right, neat. Now we can close all that up. We have a template. The reason you want to do this is because when you collab, it makes it really easy for your collaborators to know where everything is. Everything's organized. You know what's going on. It's just better for workflow. Then what you do, you go File, Save As, Template. You call it your template, whatever. And then if we shut this down, Project Templates, My Templates, 2023, and then boom, we've got all our channels here. The really good thing about this is, so in our drum channel, you put all your drums in here. We can affect all these tracks with the one channel on this bus, just by putting, okay, we want to put a reverb on there, and it's going to reverb all the drums. We want to compress them all to glue it all together. Same deal. You want to EQ it all, bang. Nice and easy, nice and organized, looks neat. Obviously, you can chop and change this. You don't have to do it exactly like this. You can do it maybe according to your style and genre, but this is the way that I like it organized. Kick, drums, clap, snare, chords, bass, leads, effects, vocal. Also helps if you're sending off stems to a mastering engineer. My mastering engineer, at least, he likes it arranged like this. That's how it's done. I'll see you guys in the next one.